Hi, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali. In this video tutorial, we will learning that how to share our Power BI reports. So in this example, I have created and I have used Power BI desktop version, and I have created a dashboards with certain different visualizations that were required. And let me show you. So this is the overall sales analytical dashboard where we are analyzing the numbers through different perspective. This particular dashboard also contains fiscal calendar as well and week by week calculation as required. So now I have finished this dashboard in Power BI desktop version, and I'm using September 2025 version. Okay. So if you have the latest version, the interface will look like this. Now it's a traditional practice which we adopt in the organization. Like whenever we try to create something in Excel, we attach that file into a email, right? And then we send it to the respective manager or senior managers. And then we reply to that emails. But whenever you create a dashboard in Power BI desktop, you will not attach this PBIX file into your email. If you want to share these dashboards, you need to have certain policies within your organization. Depends how you execute the data governance and internal policies. Or so let's get started now. What I have in this particular scenario, I have the database files, and there are different kind of database files through which I have created this particular dashboard. Okay, so I have some Excel files, a Notepad file, an Access file, and this is on my local hard drive. Okay. The other approach is that I can go and make all the connections through SQL Server, or I have the access directly from an ERP. That could be SAP or Oracle. I mean, that depends, and you get the direct connection and then you upload through SharePoint and then distribute that link internally in the organization. In my use case, I have already these files on my local hard drive. That's also a practice in the organization. So I have that files. I have created a dashboard in Power BI desktop version, and I need to share it. Okay. And what happens that if my boss says that I want to view in the PowerPoint slide, so if that is available or not, so we'll check that as well. So the first thing first is I will go to this website called app.powerbi.com. All right. Another thing to notice is if you are watching this my video on any platform, you can go to my YouTube channel and subscribe my YouTube channel, where you will find a lot of videos. Now there are more than 1200 videos on Excel, Power BI, Google Sheets, Word, and the other topics as well. So you will find handy to update your skills. Now, once you open app.powerbi.com, so this window will appear, and it says that by proceeding, you acknowledge that if you use your organization's email, your organization may have rights to access and manage your data and account. So might be possible that whatever the features I will be covering in this video, you might not get all of them, or you might not have that other kind of access. I mean, that definitely depends on your IT department, that how they allocated the rights to access and manage your data and account. Okay. Another thing is that you need to have the organization email address. That it will not consider Gmail account or Hotmail account or any other public domain. It should be your customized organization email address. Okay, so let me enter the details and then let's see how the interface comes in after sign in. All right, so I have entered my organization email address. Okay, and let's click on submit. Now I have to add the password. So this is the interface of your cloud account for the very first time once you log in. Okay. Now what I need to do is I will go to my workspace, which is on, you can see the menu on the left side. Okay. Now there's nothing here yet. Okay. Now what I need is I need to basically upload this desktop version to my cloud account. Okay. So the first thing first is your desktop version also needs to sign in. Okay. So if you see on the top right side, I have already signed in with the same email address and credentials. Okay. Now, after you sign in on your desktop account, what you need is you will see on the right side on the home tab, there's a publish. Okay. So once you click on this publish button, it will open up a window here and it will show you my workspace. So we need to upload here. Let's select, and now it's start publishing my this desktop file to my cloud account. And in next few seconds, when it's upload, you can see it's showing you success. Okay. All right, let's click on got it and let's go to the cloud version. Let me refresh. All right, so now you can see I got my semantic model and the report, that are the types. Okay. Okay, from here I can also have a quick insights as well. So let me click on quick insights. So basically the algorithm will read my data and then it will generate a quick insights for me. Let's click on view insights. Okay, so it created some charts for me, like a bar chart and then line and then scatter, donut chart as well, based on different fields. They have picked it randomly and I can see from different perspective as well. So this is the feature of cloud version. It gives you the quick insights. Whereas if I go to my workspace again and if I click my report, all right, so now you can see I can view my report into the cloud account. Okay, and I can navigate to any page if I would like to. In this menu, I can click on export and I can analyze in Excel. I can have that in PowerPoint, or I can create a PDF as well. Okay, now this is the export options available with you. And if I want to share this, so I can click on share, and what it says that upgrade to a paid Power BI, and it also says that you can also try a free trial for 60 days by choosing try free. So what we do is, instead of buying it, we can have a trial version. So let's click try free. And now it says that all paid features of Power BI are yours for 60 more days. Okay, so that's a good thing. We can demo all the features of paid version for 60 days free. Now, when I click on share button again, it will show me a window here, and the default option is selected. People in your organization with the link can view and share. I can click here. People with existing access, or I can give it to this specific people. I mean, that's my choice again here. And it's also have settings, allow recipients to share this report or allow recipients to build content with the data associated with this report. So I mean, that depends how you want to execute this. Okay, so I will go to, now this is my PowerPoint window, and in the PowerPoint, on the home tab on the very right side, you will find add-ins. Okay, so let's search for Power BI, and I will go with this particular Power BI. Okay, all right, so what it says that we have noticed that you are signed in into PowerPoint with a non-work account. So to prevent the sign-in window for showing up, switch to a work account and restart the PowerPoint. So this means that this particular account, I need not to log in from my live.com, but from this organization account. Okay, so that's how it will work. So let's get to it. All right, so I have login from my work account. Okay, and I have provided the credentials, email address and the password. Now it says I can directly go to my this particular report. As you can see here, I can click here. Let's click, let's see what happens. It will show me a preview in next few seconds. All right, so my Power BI report is now embedded into Microsoft PowerPoint successfully. Okay, once I have the credentials and login rightly, I can go to the full screen as well. And now this is interactive in PowerPoint as well. When I click any of the slicer, as you can see that the numbers are being updating. Why? Because that is being embedded into the PowerPoint, my Power BI report directly. It is coming from the cloud account. Okay, options like it coming from the live data. If you want to take a snapshot or a public snapshot, I mean, file tab, you have some more options available, like download this file, save a copy, manage permissions, embed report, SharePoint Online, website or portal, publish to web for the public as a public link. Okay. Now it depends on your data governance and internal policies that how you want to pursue this particular dashboard. Another very good feature about the cloud account is that you can set the alert as well. So when I click on set alert, you can see a menu on the very right side, alerts. Okay, so I have added an alert on the total orders measure. That's my explicit measure. And when it changes by, increase by, or decrease by. So when I say that it changes, okay, and becomes a greater than, we have different parameters here as well, as you can see, right? So when it becomes, I will put a value here. The condition meet later on. I have also the option like send the notification on my teams or to these particular people in my organization, and I will click on apply. Okay, 5.3 for example. Other than Teams, I have option for Outlook email as well. So what happens that I have set the alerts on my dashboard as well. When anything becomes at certain point, it triggers and give me the notification on my Teams or email address. So that's a very cool feature as well. All right, so another very cool feature in Cloud Account is that when I click on this subscribe button, so it will open up a quick window and I will click on create a subscription. So I have two choices, standard, generate and deliver one report, or it would be a dynamic per recipient. So I will go for standard. And now the best part is that this particular dashboard is already on my cloud account. And for example, I want to send this particular dashboard on weekly basis to my boss on email, right? So what I can do is I can apply the subscriptions and I can first give a name to this particular dashboard report. Then I can add a recipient to whoever I need to send this. So I can enter email address. It could be one or more than one. Then I have a choice, either I want to convert this particular dashboard into a PDF or PowerPoint. Okay. And I can schedule the date, start date and ending date, and how often I want to repeat this. Either it's hourly, it's daily, it's weekly. So for example, on every Wednesday, my boss needs to have that updated picture of the dashboard of the business. Okay, so I have selected weekly. I will click on Wednesday and on what schedule time. For example, every Wednesday at 3 p.m. based on the time zone which I have in my system or where I have located, Islamabad, Karachi. And I have some more options like email subject. I want to include an optional message. Permission to view the report in Power BI, that's enabled. Link to report in Power BI enabled, and report page view is also enabled. Okay, so that's an awesome thing. You don't need to email your boss manually every week the position of that dashboard, or so that email will be sent to your boss automatically. Okay, so that's an awesome thing.